ಆಚಿ ಮಸಾಲ
ಎಂತ ಅಡಿಗೆಯ ರುಚಿಯಾಗೋ ರಹಸ್ಯವು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
It's not that I don't want to attend promotional events, it's just that I'm not very good at it. So I stay away from it. But this was special because for so many reasons, but I think it's just Yash. He just made a call and it was enough for me to just attend the event. And also, it is very, very special because of the kind of vision these people have. When I say these people, let me just start with our producer, Venkat sir. Thank you so much for bringing all of us together and for believing in a vision that Geetu had. You know, from a script, from Waistline, there's no way you could have thought that this is going to be this, what we have all seen and experienced. So thank you so much for bringing all of us together. That's the best thing that you have done. And you're one of the most nicest producers I've ever worked with. A lot of love to Rukmani, to Tara, Kiara, Huma, Akshay, all of you, a lot of love to all of you. Rukmani, I've been seeing your journey, I've been seeing something. I'm so proud of you and more love to you. Kiara, I think this is one of the best films that you have done in your entire career. And like you said, there's a Kiara before and there's going to be a Kiara after Toxic. Toxic is going to be your best. And you look absolutely stunning in the film. Too good. Tara, even when you were speaking now and when he was talking about your image as a Disney princess, you actually look like that. And you're such a cute, cute, cute girl. So much love to you. Huma, on sets, I made a friend. I think me and Huma have spoken the most on sets because we had the most combinations, and Akshay, I think. So I've had amazing, amazing experience working with you. Our legendary cinematographer, Rajiv sir, the sweetest Sandy. It was amazing working with Rajiv sir and Sandy. And if I've missed anyone out, please forgive me. I don't do speeches like this a lot, so just bear with me. Sorry, I did not answer your question.
No, you did, ma'am. The only guy you didn't give love to is Sudev. He's sitting right there, ma'am.
Sudev, oh yeah. Sudev, you look a little different today, so lot of love to you too, Sudev. Arey, wait, yaar, I'm coming. Special, no? So, yeah. Geetu, what do I say about you? So, Geetu and me, we've had a very, very long journey and a beautiful one. Me and Geetu have worked together in a film. We have acted together in a film. How many years back? I don't even remember. 20 years back, maybe? Must be 20 years back. That was a different Geetu. And the Geetu that, you know, when she called me for the film, I wasn't so sure because I mean, there's a lot of actors in the film. And I'm usually a little careful or maybe a little apprehensive about, you know, choosing a film where there are a lot of actors. So when she called me for this film, I wasn't sure. I said, no, I don't think I want to do the film. So she asked me some 10 million questions. So I said, okay, it's fine. You can just come and narrate it to me. And from the moment she narrated it to me, I was like, who is this woman? Who is this director that we have not seen? You are going to witness something incredible. You guys are just not ready for it, I'm telling you. You have seen the trailer. I know it's amazing, but you still haven't seen the film. It's going to blow your minds. It's really going to be incredible. And Geetu, more than the director that you are, I have so much to say about you, but I think we don't have so much of time. But I just want to say, I think everyone's spoken about how good you are as a director, the kind of vision that you have, everything. But the woman that you are, the way you took care of each and every actor, the way you gave love when everyone needed you. I'm sure all these actors here have had their good moments, bad moments, tough moments. You were there, holding their hands, walking with them, and doing the best you can. And even when, at the moments when you were not in control of your emotions, you actually amazed me when you just went into someone's caravan and just came back. And I was me. Everyone was a little, scared because we were shooting and it was a little tough situation. But you came back and I was like, what happened? Did you lose your mind and did you lose control? Did you say something that you're not supposed to say? And she said, no, I just gave love. That's all she said. And I was amazed at this woman and the kind of, the way, the kind of deep sensitivity that she has towards each and every actor that she's worked with. She just owns them. I think everyone's going to agree with me, Rukmani, Huma, everyone. That's why Huma said, I love you, because that's the kind of love that she gives to all of us. You are amazing, Geetu. There's so much more to say, but I'm not going to take a lot of time. Yeah, we all just love you. Okay, I think I've spoken about everyone. Rocky Bhai. So, the first time I met Yash, and trust me, I've worked with a lot of superstars. I've worked with a lot of actors. Everyone's big. Everyone's cool. They're really good. That's why they are superstars. But with Yash, when I met him the first time, the kind of larger than life image that he actually has, that's how he is in person also. I was like, oh, okay, am I actually entering this Rocky Bhai's kingdom or something? It's like how you see it in the trailer, no? He's like that in real, actually. But beyond that, I think everyone's spoken about the work ethics that he has. But let me tell you, I have never, ever, ever seen a more hardworking actor than this. Oh my God. Like every single day on set, I'm just amazed at the way he works. This man has given his 4 years, 3 years? How many years? 4? Oh, 4.5 years of his life. And trust me when I tell you, his life, he has literally sacrificed his life, his time with his family, his time with his kids, his personal life, everything that he would enjoy when he's a normal human being, Otherwise, he's just this monster mind creations. That's exactly what he is. I mean, he's just about work and he just focuses on the work. He's only bothered about how the script is progressing, how the shoot is progressing, how every actor is comfortable, every actor is doing their best, giving their best performances. He's into everything. And the way you took care of Geetu, the way you took care of your director, I've never seen an actor do that. I know you are also a co-producer in the film, but I've never seen a co-producer also do that. I've never seen a producer do that. So there's so much of love and respect for you, Rush, because for the actor you are, for the producer you are, for the human being you are, so honest, for the husband he is, for the family man he is, for the father you are. You know, I have just huge respect for you. And you are where you are today because of the incredible hard work that you have done, that you have been doing. And this is a special mention to Radhika. I feel everyone just talks about all the main cast crew. When a film becomes a blockbuster, everyone's talking about how hardworking everyone's been and how dedicated everyone's been. But no one talks about the family, their sacrifices. This woman right here with Yash, I feel is his biggest strength. The way this woman has sacrificed her time with her husband for the vision that he believes in is just amazing. I have so much of respect for you and then a lot of love for you. I think I have spoken a lot today. Oh my God. Okay, do you have more? Yeah, right? What do you mean? Oh, that's why maybe I don't attend functions. Okay, do you have any more questions for me?
No, ma'am, it was brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I think I just got a little emotional. But thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Now I think I should just leave. And thank you, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I'm sure you guys loved the trailer and you're going to love the film. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.